Only the strong survive. You are the
Okay guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be doing just playing some music while you enjoy this video. I'm going to be trying out the brushes that I did the tutorial for this look, and I also used the luxury Sylyne brush. I'll give you the link for that video if you didn't see that, so you can go ahead and watch it. And guys, yeah, as I said before, I won't be like talking and telling you what I do. I just want you to just look at the video, watch. If you find it interesting, you can enjoy it, and the music also, because I love this song. And guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do enjoy, don't forget to like. When you like, I feel really good. If you don't like, it doesn't say anything to me. But yeah, guys, like, subscribe, and don't forget to share, leave your comment, and let me know what you think I'm doing with my channel so far. Yeah, so not gonna be talking out this video. You can just enjoy the music and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so yeah, see you later on in the video when I'll be talking.
I'm kind of stoned right now, but I don't drink, so please don't make a sound. Don't tell nobody that you saw me, boy. I'm just gonna shake my hair and everybody's posted up on the wall. But I don't care, cause this is my song. And I'm gonna roll my body, and I don't care whose party this is. It's gonna be mine now. Watch me while I hit the ground and I shake myself. Hey boy, come here. I see you, boy, I see you standing over there. You want some of this? Come here, baby, come take a lick, and I don't care where we go after this, as long as it's not to my crib. See, I don't want nobody there. Nobody has to know where I rest my head. They don't, cause only the strong survive. You either live or you die. I don't need you here and I. Only the strong survive. You either live or you die. I don't need you here and I. Only the strong survive. You either live or you die. I don't need you here and I. Now I know I'm not the only one that likes being bored alone at home with nothing but the TV on and a t-shirt on. Whoa, everybody's staring, but I'm not caring. I'm on my own, and I don't care, cause this is my song. And I'm gonna roll my body, yes I am, and I don't care. I got a man at home, but he's not here now. So watch me while I hit the ground and I shake myself. Come closer, boy, let me whisper some chosen words into your mind. But don't believe it, I'm a little uneasy when I'm lifted. I'm kind of stoned right now, but I don't drink, so please don't make a sound. Don't tell nobody that you saw me, boy.
Okay guys, so I'm going to be using this brush. This is the angled blush brush. I'm going to be using that to add some, definition to my face. So I'm going to be using my LA Girls Glam kit. And I'm just going to go in. I can't see. I have to get my super giant mirror. So I'm just going to be adding a little of the to my face. Oh crap, so I went in a little bit too much, as you can see. I'm going cheek. I'm basically using the bronzer or the contour shade as a blush. You know what I'm saying? So we're not really going in with real blush. Because you know, anything that a dark girl adds to her skin, if a darker shade, if I add a darker shade to my skin, it almost looks red. So that's what we are doing. Trying to get that sun-kissed look. Know what I mean? And adding to my natural contours. Know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay. And I'm just gonna go right here to kind of, oh, what's this? I have no idea what this is, something right here. Oh, whatever that is. Just adding some. But the only thing that I have with these brushes, maybe because they're still new, they're a little bit dense. I wish they're a little bit, you know, like, they're soft but just a little bit too dense. I guess because I'm coming from the other brushes and they're not so, like, they're dense but not super dense. And then these are like, they're not super dense. They're just, they're just different. I'm not used to the brushes being so, you know what I'm saying? Just blend out. Oh, and this is perfect. So now I'm going to be using the powder brush. This is the powder brush. And I'm just going to kind of blend out. Just ensure that everything is good. See? So my face can look bright where it needs to be bright. I'm going to be using this brush. This is the detail shader brush, and I'm going to be using that to just add some more of the same purple shade that we added to right here. And I'm just going to add it because I added my, oh shucks, I went in with a little bit too much. Because we added our foundation after we did our eyes, so it kind of, you know, okay, I see what you're doing. This is the all over shadow brush. I'm going to be using it to just kind of blend out this thing right here that I kind of went MC Hammer. See? So we're just going to kind of smoke that out because I didn't expect it to be so pigmented. But anyway, we can fix that. I'm just blending this out a little bit. I'm gonna add the blush plus the bronzer. So I'm kind of mixing it. So I'm gonna get this nice, you know, pinkish chocolatey kind of thingy going on. So I'm just gonna add a little tad bit more right here. Okay, so I'm just using my brush, my little powder brush to just kind of blend out everything. As you can see, Oh, I love these brushes for, you know, it feels so amazing. I love it. These brushes will make you want to do makeup every day. I love it. Then I'm gonna go in with some more for the other cheek. Ooh. Okay. Okay. So just added that. Okay. Gonna go in with this brush now, the powder brush, to just kind of blend out everything. Then I'm gonna go in with this brush. This is the
I'm just gonna shake my hair and everybody's posted up on the wall. But I don't care cause this is my song. And I'm gonna roll my body. And I don't care whose party this is. It's gonna be mine now. Watch me while I hit the ground. And I shake myself. Hey boy, come here. I see you boy.
So guys, I added my lashes and I'm just gonna use a fan brush with a little of the e.l.f. baked highlighter to just highlight my cupid's bow. Nice. You see? What am I doing? And I love gloss lip, guys, because glosses, like lip glosses, make my lip look plump. So yeah guys, this is my finished look. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.
That likes being bored alone at home with nothing but the TV on and a t-shirt.